What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code. The application was unable to start correctly, 0xc0210000. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to Google, and in here just type in Visual Runtime AIO until you see this first link pop up by Tech Power Up. If it's not the first, just try to find this Tech Power Up one, right? It is basically the all-in-one for Visual C++ to fix this issue that you're getting. Once you're there, click into this and just press the download button over here. And once you download it, you're going to extract the file, and it's going to look something like this screenshot here. All you need to do is, you might not say .bat and .exe because you might not have the extensions shown, but you just need to basically right click into the install all full file and run as administrator, and it's going to install all of these. This is the reason you're having the error. There is another way to fix it, which would take longer, which is to find wherever you have Visual C++ and either individually repair them all or download the latest one that you might not have, which can be significantly big. Like, it could be gigs big, right? So doing this is only 100 megabytes. It's much smaller, and it fixes the issue directly from that perspective. So I would highly recommend you to basically do this. Once you do this, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Other than that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.